At Salisbury University and the Henson School of Science and Technology, preparing our students for future success is at the heart of what we do. SU's impressive campus offers everything students need to succeed and an atmosphere that feels like home. SU's Geography and Geosciences Department offers top-notch educational opportunities in geography, geographic information science, earth and atmospheric sciences, urban and regional planning, and many other areas of interest. In our department, we value students obtaining real-world experience. Each year, our students can complete field studies classes to a rotating series of unique geographic regions, including Colorado Plateau, Death Valley, Puerto Rico, Mount Washington, and even abroad to get up close and personal with their passions. Closer to home, our hall is also home to an extensive collection of rocks, minerals, and fossils, including a mammoth bone. As a student-centered department, faculty not only offer high-quality instruction, but are dedicated to helping students outside of the classroom. Faculty maintain an open-door policy to help with classwork, as well as advise on other opportunities such as research. Many SU students have even presented their research at national conferences. No matter what your life goals, you're sure to find a home in SU's Geography and Geosciences Department. Let us help you build your future here at SU.